get on the road again. The life I love is making music with my friends, and I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again, going places that I've never been, seeing things that I may never see again. I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again, like the band again.
Morning, everybody. It's July 20th. It's a Saturday. It's about almost 10 of 9. Excuse me. We're gonna meet up with our friends Bob and Amy, and we're heading out for breakfast in Vandergrift, the G&G's restaurant. They have awesome breakfasts. And it's about an hour drive, 45 minutes or something. So we made reservations, and we should be there around 10ish. So stay tuned, and don't forget, subscribe, like, leave a comment.
Smack that bell.
Smack it.
Smack it.
Woohoo! 1, 2, 3, red light. Woo. So stay tuned.
Shut the town down because
Yep.
of the bridge.
Yeah, we just went through our construction here. They're working on the bridge. You heard Rita say it. And what a mess it makes. And we have didn't realize it until Rita mentioned it. For a small town, we have 3 traffic lights. And now with the bridge construction, we have 4. It's gonna be a beautiful day in the 80s. Well, that's what they say. Actually, it's supposed to be good until Tuesday or Wednesday or something. To G&G Restaurant in Vandergrift, and Bob and Amy leading the way.
We knew where we were going. We just wanted him to go first.
Yeah. Bob asked, "You know where I'm going?" Nope. I keep telling him we're new to this area, and that's my story, and I'm sticking with it.
Yep.
Leaving the camera on it because there's a beautiful view coming up.
Isn't that like Bob's Brothers view?
The who?
Is Bob's Brothers
No.
land?
No, I don't know. But it's beautiful.
Oh no, it would be to the right, if anything. Come around to the Mahoning River, that's Bob's Brothers.
I think, Jack, it's going to be over here somewhere. We'll put the camera that way for now.
Yeah, in between these trees.
Look at that view! Woo! Wow. Okay, I can stop the camera now. Well, that was an awesome breakfast. G&G Restaurant on Columbia Ave in Vandergrift. I want to say Vanderbilt.
You could say Vandercoop, but...
So, I don't know where we're going now. It turned out to be a nice day. The clouds lifted a little bit.
For everybody that really doesn't know, we're trying to spare time because we have a surprise retirement party for Robert
We got
Kill some time.
yeah, like about 3 hours. It's 11 o'clock.
So like I said, it was one to get there, one to eat.
And 3 to ride. Well, we just came from, it's called 380 Auction or something, auction house. It's like a big flea market.
Yeah.
That's what it reminds us of, the flea market. They got all kinds of neat stuff in there. I think when we're looking for a new couch, we know where to go.
Yeah.
Of course, we'll shop around, but we know what the prices are here.
Yeah.
But now we don't know where we're going. Just enjoying the day. Well, stay tuned on our Wing in PA, our adventures in PA. We're on Lakeview Road. Where? I don't know. I think it might be Clear Creek Pond coming up. I don't know. We're just guessing on that one. But we have a little shade. It gets us out of the sun. It's turned out to be a real beautiful day. It's Crooked Creek Lake. That's where we are. Speed bump, bump, bump. So we're gonna check the lake out. It looks pretty big. Well, we got part of it. I was talking too much. I didn't turn on the camera. But we got a place to go in the fall to do our other hobby. Here's a shot of the part of the dam. This might be the dam. I don't know.
Well, it does look like a dam to me.
Yeah. Sorry, my thing got hooked.
Crooked Creek Lake.
Crooked Creek, yep. A cool place. Whee! I like it. That is, we were just on that side. I don't know if you can make out the beach. Through the trees.
Nope. Maybe through these trees. Oh yeah.
Now we have a beach to go to. We'll have to go swimming, dear.
Yeah.
Get out your trunks tomorrow.
Yeah.
That's a cool shot. There we go. The bridge. Ah. Beautiful day riding. Well, we've been by that tower many a times. The eagle flying by the tower. Mahoning Road. We've been on it a few times. That's the Allegheny to the left. There we go, better shot of the Allegheny. Remember, this river started about 8 inches wide.
Yep.
Check back at one of our earlier videos. If I remember, I'll put a link to it. This is where it washed out. I don't know if you can see the road.
Yeah. Pretty much.
Now you're seeing it from both directions. Nice shady, curvy road. Mahoning Road. Wow, that's neat. Winding road, next quarter of a mile.
No.
Big surprise. Whee!
Wait, I'm done. He's like, what the hell?
Okay. Surprise, surprise, surprise. Woo!
Oh my God, what a ride. Holy crap. Boy, trying to keep that man out. Hi, little boy. Hey.
Ah. Look at the car. Surprise, 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 Bob. I hope you were surprised. Happy retirement.
That's right.
37 years. Trucking. Home sweet home. Yes. Glad you could come along with us and for breakfast and a little ride and Bob's
Had no idea party he was at.
surprise retirement party.